Welcome back to Cheat Day Review number 3. As you could probably tell by the title, this episode is all about macaroni and cheese. Yes, today I'm going to explore everything mac and cheese Los Angeles has to offer. I'm also going to show you a macro-friendly version so you can enjoy mac and cheese even if it's not your cheat day. Let's go make some breakfast. I felt like starting off my day with a little bit of childhood. Velveeta mac and cheese. I prefer Velveeta to Kraft. Are you Velveeta or are you Kraft? Let me know in the comments. Just cook the noodles, add the stuff they call cheese sauce, and you're good to go. For the macro-friendly version, Bonza chickpea pasta. I went for the shells because I'm a child and I like the shells. These have a ton of protein. We're gonna be using half a package. That's about 2 servings. Half a cup of cheese. I use this Italian blend just because the calories are a little bit lower, and a quarter package of fat-free cream cheese. Finally, a little cashew milk to blend things up a little bit, maybe a quarter cup. Now I'm gonna put the macros for both of these on the sides here. I put these side by side because I want to see how the macro-friendly mac and cheese stands up to the velvety Velveeta. And with that said, I'm hungry. Let's get this going. This taste brings back so many memories. It's been a long time since I've had the Velveeta. Now, the macro-friendly version. Oh wow. If you're ever craving mac and cheese, you gotta give this a try. And you can cut the calories by using half of the pasta that I used here and filling up that extra space with any veggies that you really feel like it. There are no rules. This is a great way to get your mac and cheese fix even when you're on a diet and even when it isn't your cheat day. Extremely satisfying on both accounts. The macro-friendly mac and cheese absolutely stands up to the store-bought Velveeta. So I'm gonna get a little arm workout in, a little cardio, because you gotta burn them to earn them, and then we are gonna branch out into the wonderful world of macaroni and cheese. So we are post-workout here at the New Deal in Burbank, California. I wanted to see how good can just a simple gourmet mac and cheese get. No crazy ingredients, no loaded mac and cheese this or that, just macaroni and cheese. Okay, maybe a few breadcrumbs. So I found the most expensive macaroni and cheese I could find in my area. That's here at the New Deal, and we're gonna put it to the test. What is this? They don't know it's my cheat day? I don't want to be rude. That's more like it. So this is what they call their cheesy mac, made with American cheese, sharp Vermont cheddar, and a little Gruyere. Am I saying that right? Gruyere? Let me know in the comments below. I have no idea what the nutrition facts are for this dish. Unless the restaurant has the nutrition facts or calories listed, you really have no idea how much butter, how much cheese, how much oil, how much anything they're using to make the dish delicious. I will try and tell you with my super sensitive taste buds how many calories I think are in this dish. There's roughly 1,200 to 1,500 calories in this dish. This is good mac and cheese, people. 2 giant thumbs up, New Deal. Now that we've had a simple, delicious, gourmet mac and cheese, why don't we mix things up a little bit? So we are at the Melt in downtown. There's nothing open in here except for 2 restaurants, and this place is kind of giving me the creeps, so I kind of want to just finish this and get the heck out of here. We got the Mac Daddy. It's basically a grilled cheese with macaroni and cheese and bacon. Then we've got the Steak Fiesta Mac. It's basically, oh, where's the tortilla? They left out my tortilla crisps. Sometimes you just gotta do things yourself. Fiesta mac and cheese here with our tortilla strips. They have the calories for the Mac Daddy sandwich online. This is brand new, so they don't have it posted yet. I'll post what I think it might have. I think it's time to dig in. That's in a pretty good spot. You know what this tastes like? If you were to take a grilled cheese and put macaroni and cheese in it with a little bit of bacon, it's exactly what it tastes like. Oh, that's what it is. I feel the happy feast starting. Steak Fiesta Mac. Now I know why they didn't put the tortilla strips on. These things are stale. Nothing worse than getting really excited about something on your cheat day and then not being good. Like, I don't even want to finish this. Not a winner at all. I hope this Mac Daddy's as good as I remember it. So the Mac Daddy was a winner. The Steak Fiesta Mac was not. When it comes to your macaroni and cheese, skip the melt. I don't think it's their thing. But here's a question. What happens if you want the mac and cheese without the mac and cheese? I got you covered. Well, Sun Cafe in Studio City has you covered. This is a vegan mac and cheese made with quinoa and a cashew mac sauce. Apparently, this is multi-award winning and it's supposed to taste amazing. I'm kind of excited to give this a shot. This kind of expands my world. What is it with mac and cheese served in a skillet? Oh, it's good, subtle, simple. I like it. I almost dropped the mac and cheese. That would have been so bad. You know, considering I've already had about 6 macaroni and cheese dishes today, that went down pretty easily. That was quite good. Didn't quite taste like mac and cheese. I mean, makes sense because it's not really mac and cheese, but it does give you that mac and cheese fix. As far as calories, I don't know. I don't even know if the chef knows how many calories in here, but I'll throw up what I think the calories might be based off of a little bit of research. Well, that is 6 macaroni and cheese dishes for the day. It might be macaroni and cheese out, but I think we've earned our dessert. And I have something special waiting for me at home. What do I have waiting for me? Macaroni and cheese pie. From the pie hole in Hollywood, California. But something unexpected happened while I was at the pie hole. The pie hole. Why does that sound naughty? Oh, I know. We're not going to talk about that. Something unexpected, something delectably delicious, something I could not resist. Its powers overtook me. And in the spirit of mac and cheese, I thought it was only fitting. The pie hole calls this their serial killer cheesecake. We're gonna eat our dinner first. Give you a little cross section. It's one of the better mac and cheese dishes I've had today. Slightly drier consistency, but that makes sense. It's covered in pie crust. Really nice. It's good. No shame. Hands down, one of my favorite macaroni and cheese dishes of today. And that's saying a lot considering that is my 7th mac and cheese dish. You would think I'd be sick of mac and cheese. And the moment has come. The moment we had no idea we were waiting for. The serial killer cheesecake from the pie hole. This is going to be insane. Oh. The Fruit Loops on top are still crunchy. I wasn't expecting that. The pieces inside the cheesecake, however, are nice and soft, which I like. I actually like when my cereal gets a little soggy in the milk. I don't like my cereal perfectly crunchy. Some people think that's gross. Do you like your cereal crunchy or a little soft? Let me know in the comments. Thank you, Pie Hole. You delivered 2 of my favorite things. Serial killer cheesecake coming out of who knows where. Whoever designed that one, hats off to you, sir. Is macaroni and cheese a good decision on your cheat day? Yes, it is. It is quite filling and it quite hits the spot. Packed a punch. Would I have it all day? Never again. And if you're trying to count calories and or macros, I would not recommend going to a restaurant and ordering the mac and cheese. Odds are they do not have the calories or the nutrition facts available, and you have no idea how much macaroni they used, butter, cheese, oil, what have you, so there's really no way to look at it and get a gauge on how many calories there might be, which is why the macros and cheese is a great way to go if you're trying to count your calories and or macros and need that macaroni and cheese fix. It seriously does the job. It stands up to anything that I had today, so you can have your mac and cheese and eat it too. Thank you for liking, thank you for subscribing, thank you for all the things. I hope you got something out of this video, and I will see you in the next one.